everybody, I'm so glad you're here. I have gotten a lot of new subscribers here over the last few months, and I wanted to let you know there is more to my channel that you may be missing. I have recently been doing a lot of vlogs and just quick updates around our house, but I've been working on this channel for maybe a year and a half and adding all kinds of videos about lots of things. So I'm going to put a link in this description for all the playlists that I have, because I think there's a lot in there that might help you out. These are some of the things that I have videos about: gardening, harvesting and preserving, raising meat birds and storing them so you can use them all year round. All things about raising chicks with broody hens, flock management, keeping them warm, feeding them, raising dogs, cats, keeping pet rabbits. Dog training isn't at the top of any of my video lists though. Raising turkeys. And of course, chickens, and more chickens. Having a little orchard of dwarf trees. I know a lot of you have gotten chickens this year and might be wondering when to take them outside or how to integrate them into your flock. Or maybe you've had chickens and have just had things come up with broody hens. I've done a lot of that and have videos on things that we've learned over the years, what to do and maybe what not to do. So check those out. I hope it's helpful. If there's a certain video or topic you're looking for, especially related to chickens, let me know in the comments and we may have something or know where you could find that information. So again, I'm glad you're here. Thanks for subscribing and watching. I hope some of these videos help you out. I'll catch you the next time.